Hello, good morning, boys and girls. Have a blessed day. Today we are going to learn about converting a fraction to a decimal. So I believe you all, the other day, we all have done the hands-on activity together. You have done very well, and I'm very proud of you all. And today we are going to learn how to change from fraction to decimal. The other day was decimal to fraction, right? Of course, that was a good activity. I believe everyone was able to do it. Now, how are we going to change fraction to decimal? It is very simple. The idea is only divide. Remember, you only need to divide. Now, what do I mean by divide? Now, you look at this. The question is give you 5 over 10. So 5 over 10, what we do is we need to divide. So we take the numerator, the top here, we put it inside the house. Outside house is 10. So can 10 divide 5? No, right? Even if you open, there's nothing that you can do. So when it's nothing, so nothing is actually 0. So 10 times 0 is 0. Nothing. So we minus it. Now after we minus, right, this is where decimal comes in, because decimal will help us to when we put a dot here, we can put 0 inside this house, because when this dot exists, you can put a lot of 0 inside this house. Okay, so when we put this dot in, the 0 in also, then we pull this down, this one will become 50. So 10 times what becomes 50? So 10 times 5 becomes 50. So that's why your answer here is 0.5. As simple as that. You see or not? So you just remember, to change fraction to decimal, what you need to do is divide. Fraction to decimal, what you need to do is divide. Now same goes to this, a mixed number. Now what I have told you before, you remember that this 3 is 3 whole. So when 3 whole plus 4 over 5, okay, this 3 whole plus 4 over 5. Now 3 whole is actually 3 dot something, which is this something. Fraction is the behind that dot, just like this. Do you see that? Just like this fraction, 5 over 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide this 4 over 5. So we're going to divide 4. 4 is inside the house, 5 is outside the house. So when we divide 5 times nothing, which is 0, we get 4 again. Now you'll be thinking like, why we do this so useless thing? Why do we need to times 0? You have to do this because why? If you don't do this, you can't put your decimal here. Okay, so once you put your decimal, you can put a 0 here. So 5 times what? Okay, sorry. So we pull down this 0. When we put this 0, we can pull this 0 down. So 5 times what becomes 40? 5 times 8 equals 40. So this is actually 0.8. So this is 3 plus 0.8. So 3 plus 0.8, 3 plus 0.8, 3 plus 0.8, the decimal is here, because behind the whole number is a dot. So 3 plus 0, so nothing is 0 lah. 0 plus 8 is 8. Dot 3 plus 0, 3. So it's actually equals 3.8. Do you understand or not? You see or not how I change? So you see this answer become this, and this answer becomes this, because I divide it. So remember, whole number you actually don't need to divide it. You just leave it as it is, because the 3 whole or 10 whole or whatever whole, it is always at the front of the decimal. As simple as that. So you see, the answer is 3.8. Is it the same as mine? Same. So the idea to change fraction or mixed number, it is divide. Can you remember that? Okay. So I hope that you know how to do all this answer here. Okay, you try and do yourself. Thank you.